Today's recipe, ultimate tandoori chicken thighs. Take the skin off these and the fat so they become very, very low fat. So I'll just show you the ingredients. Olive oil, dried tandoori masala powder, garlic salt, spray light here and there, some Maggi's liquid seasoning, lemon, lime, bright red colouring, wonderful deep red colour, squirty garlic, my favourite, some coriander seeds, star of the show, the garlic pickle, so rich, the aroma, it's unbelievable, but if you get some, you'll know what I mean. One of my other favourites is the aubergine pickle, well, BRINJAL pickle, so this is kind of hot and sweet and double act of deliciousness. Ultimate tandoori chicken thighs, done very low fat because there's no skin, there's no fat on them, and I honestly guarantee you, when you taste them, you will miss it. Follow me. This is a kilogram of chicken thighs, and I cut off all the fat. There's two little bits of fat, one side and the other. There's one, fantastic. I'll just finish the rest of these off. So this will feed 2 people. Very low fat. So we'll add that delicious red colour now. Look in there, goes in here. In with the Maggi's. Fantastic. That many coriander seeds. Let them sit in that pan with no oil until they start to give off an aroma. Can you see the smoke coming off? Perfect. Toasted. Added to the chicken seasoning. Right, so these are less toasted and will have a much more coriander flavour. Here I've got 3 little sweeteners. And this adds a lovely sweetness but without any calories. So these have been marinating now for about 3 hours and they are ready to go on the barbecue. So the skill with this is not to have it too hot so that the chicken just burns on straight away. Have something like this, a nice sharp one you can get underneath with. Let's have a look. Looking good, smells nice. That's been about 12 to 14 minutes on the barbecue being flame grilled. Enough. So that's my recipe for flame grilled ultimate tandoori with PATAKS brinjal and garlic pickle, coriander seeds, garlic, delicious, squeeze of lemon, enjoy that.